say next chapter. Now we decided to learn the Azure ETL tool. Azure ETL tool is ADF. What is Azure ETL tool? ADF. If you go for the AWS ETL tool is what? If you go and try to Google here, AWS ETL tool, something like that. If you Google it, we are going to get here some bunch of things. Okay, AWS ETL tools. If you go and try to see, first one we got here, what is this? Glue. So Azure ETL tool is what? ADF. Similarly, GCP ETL tools, we go and try to query it, we're going to see GCP ETL tools. So whichever technology, whichever cloud you're using, each cloud is providing their own ETL tools they're providing. Okay, in case of AWS, it is Glue. In case of Azure, it is ADF. In case of GCP, it is, we have the different tools are available in this one, data proc, data flow, something like that. So they given anywhere. Okay, what are the ETL tools in GCP? Now you can notice here 100 tools are available. Okay, somehow they did not provide here. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, we can go on. We can see in the screen. We can see it. There is a data flow. Okay, data proc, something like that available. Now, coming to the ADF, okay, we want to learn now ADF, how you can do that. If you want to do ADF, first thing is you need to have one account. Inside the Azure, we should have account. So Azure account, we can able to create in multiple ways. Azure free account with credit card. Okay, there is a provision here. If you go and try to open this link, let me close unnecessary things. Okay, build the cloud, build in the cloud with an Azure free account, create, deploy, and manage applications across multiple clouds on premise and the edge. In this service, we are going to get here 12 months of free services. We are going to get it, and 55 plus other services free always. Start with USD 200 Azure credits. We are going to get it, and these credits are only for 30 days validity. Within 30 days, we have to use it. If you are not using after 30 days also, it's okay. It's going to be expire automatically. Are you getting my point? So this is how the free account will be working. And for a given credit card, only once you can able to use it. For a given credit card, only once you are going to use it. Okay, you have 3 or 4 credit cards are available, you can able to manage 3 or 4 months free account, you can able to manage it. And while you're doing this one also, bit careful. If some, they are not going to provide, they're not going to provide every service as free, right? We have to always, we have to observe which service is consuming how much money and all. We have to observe and we have to go with that one. After $200, if you use the paid services, then there is a chance of your credit card balance will be debited. Okay, bit careful. Now, this is the one way. This is the one way. You can go on, you can click on here, start free, and it is going to ask bunch of information. In that one, credit card information also there. You can provide it and you can get it done. Second way of doing is Azure free account with student mail ID. Okay, this is I recommend actually. If anyone are studying in some good college, the college will be providing one mail ID to you, and that college also registered with the Azure as a one institution or college, right? So with that one, we don't require any credit card. Credit card is not required here. That's the one benefit, and we are going to get here only $100 credit. However, this $100 credit is validity is 1 year. $100 credit validity is 1 year. So within 1 year, anytime you can use it. Mostly we are going to use the free services. We are going to use it. This amount will be keep side. We are not going to use this amount. We'll keep this as a to learn the advanced things. We are going to use this one. Most of the times we're going to use the free services only, we're going to use it. Okay, so that's how this student account will be there. I recommend everyone to create the student account only. You create it, not the credit card based account. If you don't have the student email ID, I'm helpless. So you have to go with the credit card only. Have to go. Anyone has the student mail ID. Student mail ID doesn't mean that one that is only yours. Your friend, your brother, your sister, anyone is there who is studying in some good college. Okay, get that mail ID and try to do here. And only one time you are going to interact with them. You are going to disturb with them only one time to get the OTP. One OTP you are going to get it, approval mail. Only for that purpose only you are going to disturb it. Otherwise, throughout our 1 year, you are not going to ask any information from other person. Are you getting my point? For example, your sister is studying in some college. You can get her mail ID and you can do this one. And you are not going to disturb her frequently. Only once you are going to disturb it. That's it. Am I clear? Okay. Now we have here third one is a option is available that is called as sandbox. For free learning purpose, they provide here sandbox. Unfortunately, sandbox is not going to provide all the services. They have few services like what is a storage system to understand one or two things they kept it. What are the databases to understand one or two things they kept it, something like that. They will not provide everything to you. And the sandbox is per day 10 sandbox are available and each sandbox lifetime is 4 hours. Each sandbox lifetime is 4 hours. That means after 4 hours, whatever work you do, everything you're going to lose it. Am I clear? So the sandbox automatically will be there. This is lifetime is only 4 hours. Okay, after 4 hours, whatever work you do, you are going to lose everything. Again, you have to start from the beginning. That's that kind of sandbox they provided. So these are the three ways are available to practice it. And in this one, unfortunately, we don't even have the ADF is not available. No ADF. We have the remaining things are available, most of things, whatever I'm going to cover, but ADF is not there in that one. So I recommend the first priority, I recommend to go with the student mail ID. I recommend you to go with this. Okay, will you do it? Okay, please try
Yes.
that one. That's what the best option.